Alright, I'm out. Alright, let's take this quick selfie.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Look at this photograph.
Make it nasty. Make it nasty.
What the hell happened to my car? Like a neighbor, StateFarm is there. Hey, StateFarm guy, help me out. Damn, you better call Allstate.
Yo, Dad, what are you doing tonight?
I don't know. Ask your mom.
Bad bitch, bad attitude.
Yo, where's Christian at?
Said he's on his way.
That is the stupidest dance move I've ever seen.
Do I look like I give a shit what you think?
Everybody say pussy and keep it going. Hey, I just got home from getting some pussy. That should make
First, let me hop out the motherfucking Porsche. I don't wanna hit that ass.
Remind me to kill Clarity.
Yo, what you doing today, bro?
Nothing.
Reminder to kill Clarity.
I'ma kill you.
Time to die! Evil Danny? Is that Gossip Girl? Dude, I love Gossip Girl.
Let me tell you about my bed.
Pick a dare. Show your boobs to a stranger. It says chug a beer.
Yeah, man, she touched me. I was like,
Wait, what? Hey, man, that's racist.
Yo! Someone's in here.
Just because I'm Aussie doesn't mean I got fucking kangaroos in my backyard.
I'm just got big fucking rabbits!
Yo, Chrish. What street is this? What street is it? Come on, do it.
Patricia!
Cool.
People ask me why I don't have any friends, and I say it's banana your business. And then I realize that that's why.
Ben, can you say I love lasagna?
I love you, China.
3,
2,
1.